Welcome back to the flower garden. My name is Lisa and today I wanted to try something new and actually do an unboxing video. So a little bit of background story. I have a friend, her name is Rebecca, and we met through Instagram, and she actually has a company called the LOA box, Law of Attraction box. And what she does is she has these little boxes with all kinds of like Law of Attraction materials and tools in it. And so I did a favor for her, and she was like, hey, do you want me to send you a free box? So I was like, okay, sure. And as soon as I got it, I was like, wait, it would be really cool if I did an unboxing video and like a reaction and just kind of sharing it with the world and, you know, help her out. So I asked her, she said that she would like me to do that. So here we are. Okay, here we go. So first, it says, no one can block the blessings the universe has in store for you. That's cute. Okay, so we have this little booklet. It says, what's in the box? So we're going to get a little overview first. Okay, here we go. What's in the box? So Manifest, notebook and genie lamp pen. That sounds so cute. Okay, I'm really excited. Gratitude. A stone? Stop. I'm so excited. Okay, it says, every time you see this, I want it to trigger off your brain that it's time to be thankful. Hold it in your hand and think of all the amazing things you have to be thankful for. That is so cute. Okay, so affirmation cards. Start your day by pulling an affirmation card. Beautiful. Visualization, check. I'm really excited about that. And then a positivity print. And it says, ask, believe, receive. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, so we'll set that off to the side. Oh no, our tissue paper ripped. But that's okay, I'm sure it looked cute. She's got these little stickers, which is cute. I wonder if I can, I guess I'll just work my way from this hole. It'll be fine. Okay, so here we go. I'll take that off. A lot of crinkling. I don't know where to put this. I'll just set it off to the side. Okay, so we have our affirmation cards. Very cute. I feel like I should have had a knife to open these things, but it'll be okay. So we have that. We'll open that in a second. And then we have our manifestation check to manifest some moolah. Very cute. I feel like I should show it here also. We'll do that. And then a little stone. Okay, gratitude stone. It comes in these little bags. Fun fact, I love these little bags. Okay, so every time that I get something from Amazon and it comes as a gift, I get more excited about the bag than the gift. It got to the point where when I was getting gifts, my ex-boyfriend would get me things and he'd be like, I have to get the bag, otherwise you'll be disappointed. So he'd always give me the bag, but here's our little stone. Very pretty. Okay, so let me check though what kind of stone that was, because I didn't check. Okay, so the stone is rose quartz, what I suspected. It's known for its calming and peaceful properties. It promotes emotional healing, helps us to understand our feelings, forgiveness, love, and more. Exciting. I didn't know I was getting a tumble stone. Very exciting. Okay, so put that there. Then 7-step guide to manifesting, I'm assuming. Okay, so we have step 1, choose what to manifest. Step 2, visualization. Step 3, affirmations. Okay, and then we have step 4, step 5, take steps, stay positive. Okay, cool. Awesome. Put that there. Y'all can read that on your own time if you buy the box. All right. Oh, look at this pen! Wait, I'm so excited. Okay, so we have our little print. Very cute, very cute. I feel like I need to frame this. I feel like this should be thicker though. Like I feel like this should be thicker and like in a plasticky thing like this, you know? I feel like that would prevent it from kind of creasing, but it's still cute and I think it'll be fine in a frame. Oh my gosh. This pen is so cute. Stop. Okay. Slide that out. Look at this little bitty, do you see that? That's so cute. Okay, so then it's a twist twist pen. I want to see how it writes. Let's open our notebook and see what it does. So now we have this. The notebook was very well packaged. There we go. This feels so fancy. Okay, so we have our little twine. So I actually love this like little touch with the twine. I think that's so cute. If you ever get Alchemy by LA jewelry, which is what I'm wearing, and if you're interested in getting a discount for Alchemy, you can type in Liza 10, Liza 10, when you go to purchase any jewelry. We have a bunch of other jewelry coming out, which I'm excited about, but you can put that in and you'll get 10% off. So that's exciting. But anyway, Lior does this too. She does this little twine around the box. It's really cute. There we go. Oh, no. Genie bottle. I love that. Wait, look at this. Look. Ah, I wish every notebook had a little, like, what do you call this? Like a little, I don't know, what, a symbol? Keychain? I don't know. Anyway, so this comes, so this is really nicely like supported and protected is the word I was looking for. That's cool. I guess you can keep this on to protect it because this is like a papery material. So it's very easy. Like what's going to happen is when you have like, you know, a pen, a lot of times this is what happens to me. Okay. I journal a lot, I script, and like I'll get pen marks on the table and then it will rub off on my journal because my journal is laying there, right? So this is nice to have to protect against that if you want to keep that on. If not, don't do it. But usually with things like this, it'll definitely stay in it and you won't be able to get it off. So make sure you have that. But there's the back. I freaking love this thing. Ugh. Actually, I really needed a new journal. So shout out to Rebecca for making this. Okay, so let's see. Hello. This is your manifestation notebook. Here you will document all your hopes and dreams you wish to attract. You should document what you want to happen when they happen, and also any inspiration or signs you have received from the universe. We'll talk about that in a second. Set yourself a small challenge right now. Think of something completely random and watch it attract into your life. For example, I once did this with pink elephant. Then 8 days later, I found a pink elephant keyring. So cute. I've done that too. I've done this countless of times with different objects and it makes me smile when it happens. Do this and document it into this notebook. Break your goals up into time frames. You could do daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and your ultimate all-time goal. We'll talk about that in a second because I have opinions. So most importantly, have fun with it. Yes. What I always say is by having a positive mindset, you have nothing to lose. Worrying won't stop the bad things from happening, but keep you from enjoying the good. So let's focus on positives and give ourselves some hope. Very cute. I wish she had her name here. Rebecca, put your name on there. Okay, I want to see what's in the back. Just a blank page. Cool. I like this little touch of the little sparkles. So freaking cute. I'm obsessed with this. Like, this thing is so cute. Okay, let's take a look at it. Wow. I love it. Okay, great. So we have that. All right, on the timeline thing, I have something to share. So she says here to write down when something happens. Okay, so I have opinions. Here's what I would do, okay? If you're manifesting something, you're scripting, if you want to write down the timeline for it, like give yourself a deadline, that's okay to do, but you can also run into the trouble of creating this energy of not trusting the universe to bring you things in divine timing. So I would really just feel it out, see how you feel about putting like deadlines on manifestations, because you might just be putting pressure on yourself and it's just unnecessary. So what I would recommend is kind of keeping it general. You can do like in the next 5 years, I'll have this or whatever, but the most important thing is that if it doesn't come in that time, you don't just like give up and say, oh, it didn't come this time, so it must not be true, right? Because then you're creating this desperate energy, you're putting pressure on yourself, and you're not telling the universe that you trust it, right? So we want to make sure that you're always trusting the universe, you're always putting out this energy of faith that everything is okay, everything is happening in divine timing, and that's the most important part, okay? So that's where I think we should be with the deadlines, but everything else, love it, love the packaging, very cute. Oh, I wanted to test out the pen. Okay, so I think I'll maybe try it on one of these random papers. Not on that one. Let's try it on the back of this. Okay, so let's see here. How does that write? Okay. That's okay. It's good. I think it's good. It's very smooth. I enjoy that. Okay, let's open these. Okay, so has our website again. I need a pen or something, I have a pen, but I need like a knife of some sort. I'm gonna struggle with it for a minute. I can't get it. Juan, help. Help. Girl. Nothing is happening to these cards, honey. Oh, got it. Okay, here we go. Here is our, close that, our affirmation card deck. It says affirmation cards there. I'm gonna actually do one of these little fancy moves and like splay it all out. I will say these are super duper smooth, so they just kind of, very cool. Look at that. I am enough. I deserve happiness. All good things flow into my life. Oh, so cute. Love that. Okay, well, they're all just little different affirmations. And if you want to see the rest of them, go buy the box. I'm not going to spend an hour showing you the cards. What do you think this is? An in-depth unboxing video? No. What I would do when you are starting to use the affirmation cards is what normally people do with like a tarot deck or with an oracle card deck, which is when you first get it, you want to cleanse it, okay, because you don't know who's handled it. So you want to cleanse it with either smudging, meaning like using Palo Santo or sage, or you can cleanse it with the moon's energy. There are different things you can do. Don't put them in water, obviously, even though that's a cleansing method for crystals. So cleanse it. Then I want you to get to know, right, the cards a little bit and infuse them with your energy, okay? So that means maybe meditate over them, maybe set a good intention over them before you use them for the first time, okay? And then after that, you can use them as a daily affirmation, but that's how you infuse it with your energy, and then by doing that, you're also going to connect to your spirit guides, to your higher self, and then the messages that you receive are gonna be way more on point. You can do that, that's a suggestion. You don't need to do that. I'm just suggesting that. We have our little check. If you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Bob Proctor, quoting Bob Proctor. Did he invent these? Is that why? Who invented the check method? I don't know who did. Maybe it was Bob Proctor, but very cool. Anyway, I like this idea. If you're interested in getting these, you know, you can get them in this box. I'm sure there are other places you can get them from, but this all comes in a set. Then you have your fancy genie pen that you can use to write with. I'm so excited for this pen, okay? And let me tell you why. It is really powerful to have a specific tool or things dedicated to manifesting, okay? Because again, like I said, with the affirmation cards, you can actually do the same method with your manifestation tools, right? So if you know anything about witchcraft, if you know anything about, you know, magic, divination tools, right? You want to get acquainted with them and things like that. So you can actually do the same thing with this pen as you do with the affirmation cards. So you can get it, you can cleanse it because you don't know who's touched it, you know whose energy is on it, and then you can infuse it with your energy, and you can set an intention. So what I would do and what I will do is I will meditate over it, and I will actually probably what I will do, you don't have to do it this way, but what I will do is in the morning I'll meditate, I'll light a candle to honor my spirit guides, my angel guardians, things like that, and I will set an intention saying, please infuse this pen with the power to manifest whatever I desire. Please allow this pen to make my manifestations more potent, speed them up, make them more powerful, and that's what I would do. And then I would just say, thank you so much, I love you, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And that's how I would infuse the pen as well. So that way, anytime you're manifesting, anytime you're journaling, whatever, you can use this, and that can be your kind of dedicated manifestation pen. If you're interested in, buying any of these items, obviously you saw the website, but other than that, I love you guys, and I hope you stick around to watch a couple more videos. Here's a couple for you that you can check out to better your mindset, to learn more about the law of attraction. That's all that we talk about on this channel. And, just get your mindset better, all that good stuff. You can check it out right here. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I love you guys, and I hope you have a good day and a good week. Bye.